Hi, today I'm going to show you a user profile picture and its various blocks. So let's go ahead, I have some paragraph text here. Let's go ahead and add a block to the end. And I have user profile legacy. You'll find in common blocks, user profile legacy. If you choose legacy, let me move that down here for a second. You'll see that it has just various options. You can adjust the font size, you can change the brownness of the photo. You can also display view post background color. I could change that to something else. So that's the old block, and I'll show you that on the front end. See? All right, let me remove that block and show you the new block that I've been working on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go to common blocks, user profile picture, and you'll see that it looks very similar to the old block, but you have so much more control over it. So for example, on the right hand sidebar, you have a select a theme option. You can change the profile picture to round. You can also enter in a website. So let me go ahead and do that. And you'll see that the view post has moved over, so that's room for the website. Colors, you can change just about any color you want. Let's go ahead and do white, and then I could change the text color to whatever I want. And let's go ahead and just choose a black. View post background color, you can still change that. You can change the inside text color, so if I want to change it to black, for example, or even white, I could change the background color that way. So let's go ahead and clear that, and you can change the website background color here. Say you don't like black, for example, you can change it to green. View website. And then you can also change the website text color. So let's go ahead and save that and show what it looks like on the front end. And that looks great, but it seems to be, it needs some padding and a border. So what I can do is I can go to spacing and font settings. I could change the header font size. Let's go ahead and give it a good font size here. I can add a title, so I'll say CEO of Mediaron LLC. I could change the font size here. I can even change the button sizes that you see there. And let's go ahead and introduce some padding. And let's give it a padding of 20, and let's give it a border of about 2 pixels. And let's round those borders to about 10 pixels. And I could change the border color to, let's say, let's do a little light gray one here, and then do a border of 1. So here's what it looks like on the front end. It's a little bit better. So now let's play around with themes and see what we can do with those. So I'm going to choose a profile theme, and you'll see that my name shows up at the top, and it says view all posts by Ronald Horica. There are no more buttons and just a website. And let's go to colors and see what we can do. We could change the link color to let's change it to orange if I can. Okay, so that is the profile theme, and let's view that on the front post. And you can see I'm keeping my padding and my border, so here we go. And that inherits the button from the theme. Let's change this to Tabbed, and Tabbed has a lot of stuff you can add here. So I'm going to say CEO of Mediaron. And under profile description, I'm going to go view website. Go ahead and insert a link here. And then I could change the author details to just say author. And likewise, I can just change it to author here. And then for latest post, it grabs the latest post from, oops, pardon me. It grabs the latest post from the back end, and then you can change the color of the post scheme to, let's say, white, for example. And let's go ahead and change this profile headline color, or tab color, for example, to orange. And then this post background color to blue. Okay, let's see how that looks. And then I also want to change the author right here. So I could change that to white, and then change, oops. Change the color text to black right here. Okay, and let's see what that looks like on the front end. I got author, and then I got post. And let's show you one last theme, which is the compact theme, which was requested. This one has a lot of, it's very compact, so you probably don't want a whole lot of profile text here. And then you can center it, you can left align it, you can right align it. So let's go ahead and leave it centered. All right, so there's our centered profile block. And of course, with the center profile block, you can also change the various colors of the website background color, view post background color, for example. And then, as always, you can change the spacing and font settings. Say you want a bigger padding here, you can do that. Let's kill the border, and then left align it. So now you have a profile block on the left-hand side of your website. So let's go back to regular theme just to show you that you can, I imagine that theme is going to be the most popular because it's by default. And let's go ahead and add in the border again. Oops, colors, spacing and font settings. Let's give it a nice big border. And let's change the background color to kind of a light gray. There we go. View posts. Oh, one added thing I need to show you here. You can add your social media icons here. So we have social media settings. And let's do Facebook. And Twitter. And let's pick on WordPress first. So I have 3 social media accounts. If I don't want to use the brand colors, I can use a custom color and change that to whatever I want. But since I like the brand colors, I'm going to go ahead and clear it and choose brand colors and show you what that looks like on the front end. So now I have a profile with a view post, view website, some social media, and that's it for user profile picture blocks. Thank you for watching.